I've been feeling emotional, thinking about you.
Hi beautiful, I know I look crazy, but we're gonna start styling. So we are going to be styling this lace from Sensational Wigs, and this is a beautiful wig. Her name is Audrey and she is in the color 1. This wig is in fact synthetic and it is the 13x6 lace, which means it has ear to ear parting space. It is pre-plucked and the hairline has a very natural density, and the H is HG. So I believe this wig is about 12 inches. I'm not really sure, but I will be linking all that information down below. It is a very nice length, so it's very flexible and very pretty. I will say that the hair is very soft, light, and it's also bouncy. It has minimal shedding. There really wasn't a smell, and it's easy to manipulate. Also took very well to heat during the styling process, so this wig is very durable and it is a very good price, so I would recommend this wig any day. It's very light, it's not too thick, it's not too heavy, so if you're wearing this wig, it would be the perfect wig for summer or even like just any time of the year because it's so light, but it looks very full. And that's one thing I love about this hair. I often hear people say they don't like wearing wigs because they're too hot, but this wig is not hot at all and it's just very beautiful. So here I'm just pretty much placing the lace how I would like it to lay when I get ready to style it and glue it down. Well, spray it down. I don't really use glue, but here I'm showing you how beautiful this hair is and also the parting flexibility with it. I decided to do a deep part on the side, and you can part it anywhere you want, and it's going to be bouncy. You can even wear it without a part and it will look very beautiful. I would also like to mention the lace did go to my ears right above, and I didn't have to cut the ear flaps out. So that was one great thing about this wig. I do have a 22-inch head, so if you guys have about 21, 22 inches, I'm sure it might be the same thing for you.
I've been thinking about you. I'm waiting for it all to come true. I'm longing to hear you say.
Here I'm pretty much doing the same exact process as I always do when I install my wigs, which is adding the makeup to the lace. I also will add it to the cap as well. So I'm not going to really talk during this process. I didn't do anything different. One thing I would like for you to note is that I haven't been using any heat such as a blow dryer to get my cap to lay down, and that's because I've been using the bed head. And I don't know if I said it before, but I love that product so much. I have not been using any other spray. I've just been using that, and it holds so well. And so it's literally the best product ever. And if you are a mom like me doing your hair in the middle of the night, it's a great thing because you don't have to make a lot of noise. So usually I just spray it and I wrap it down, and when I take it off, it's just melted and it's laid, and to be honest, it does not come off for days. So I highly suggest, and if you guys would like more details about the product and how I use it, please let me know so I can give you guys further details. But pretty much I'm gonna let you guys watch this portion.
I'm falling. Those blue memories start calling, but you can take it all away. 'Cause I am yours forever. No one can love you better. Tell me, is it you and me now? Maybe I win, maybe I lose, but nevertheless I'm in ways to be close to you, but I don't know how and what to do. I'm so shy when it comes to you, but I guess you're curious, huh? So let me show you what I can do, 'cause I don't mind taking my time to stay in this bed now, never get out, 'cause I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Oh, love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. I see it in your eyes. You want this even more, like we are soulmates, something we never felt before. Yeah, I don't mind taking my time. Let's stay in this bed now, never get out, 'cause I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Oh, love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Night, 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 night. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Oh, love is in the air tonight.
You guys, you see this hairline is so beautiful. I'm loving it. I almost didn't do baby hairs, but I do have a big forehead. So I decided to do a little bit of baby hairs just to make it disguise just a little bit. But you guys see how wonderful it's looking already and how slayed, and it's just melting right into my skin. Like this Fit Me powder on this lace is everything, and it's looking really pretty. So what I did was I just took very minimal hair in the front, like just the slightest amount of hair, and you're gonna see me cut it so that I can make some little fine baby hairs. And this is because I don't want it to be very dramatic, but I still want to have that baby hair effect, but I want it to look more natural because this wig is very natural looking. So if you want those sparse baby hairs, well, not really sparse, but really tiny light baby hairs in the front, then I suggest you take very minimal hair out in the front if you don't want anything dramatic. But here I'm just going to be showing you how I got my baby hairs laid. It was really nothing special. It was very easy. So if you're trying this method, again, just take very little piece of hair in the front so that you can style it. And this styling mousse is really the bomb. I recommend it. Also, for styling, I use my wax stick and my hot combs, and that's pretty much it. So you guys are going to see everything in my other videos. I've linked all of my products that I've used, and I purchased everything off of Amazon. So please feel free to visit those videos. I will be linking everything in regards to this wig down below, so please stay tuned for that.
What you need from me? Need your love on me. Put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me. Put your faith in me. Put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, your love, your love, your love, your love,
Empty bottles of red wine laying on the floor from last night. We got a little drunk, yeah. Now I'm a little numb. Spending hours by your bedside, talking till it's dark out somehow. Can get you off my mind. Don't wanna say goodbye, bye, bye, bye. Maybe we should take it slow. I don't feel too comfortable jumping into something new right now. Yeah, I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Early mornings in your dome, I'll be sneaking out the door while the sun rises. Cause I ain't got the time, yeah, can't tell another lie. And baby, I know you want more than this, but you know I can't afford your kiss. So I'm staying for the night, but then I gotta say goodbye, bye, bye. Maybe we should take it slow. I don't feel too comfortable jumping into something new right now. I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in.
Okay, y'all, so we have arrived at our final look. She is looking amazing. I'm loving everything about this wig. Like I stated before, she is just so soft and just very bouncy, and it just has a lot of volume and body and just a lot of just beautifulness to this wig, if that's even a word. But I love it so much, and I hope you guys try this wig out because you would not be disappointed at all. It's a very good buy, and I recommend this hair 100%. I'm just still amazed at these lace wigs and how beautiful they are. Like, y'all, we come a long, long, long way. But thank you guys so much for watching. I enjoy you guys so much, and I appreciate you. So don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys, and see you in the next video.